All right, here we are continuing on with St. James Infirmary, bringing these three layers together. At this point, we're going to talk about our chords and our strum. This may feel like the easiest part just because this is what we're most familiar with, but it's really important to just practice with these two together and audiating with them as well. So, quick review of the chords. A minor for 2, D minor for 2, back to A minor for 2, 3, 4, A minor, D minor 2, E7, 2, 3, second line, A minor, D minor, back to A minor, jump up for the step down, F to E7, back to A minor. Now we're doing a swing strum here. Every time we change the chord, we're going to have a nice down strum. So pairing it up with this, the strum's going to sound like this. We'll go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, E7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Try it on your own. Look at your fingers if you can. Or if it's easier, close your eyes. All right, leave out the strum now. Do, da, do, da, do, da, do. But keep it going in your head. Do, do, da, do, do, da, do, da, do, da, do, do, da, do, da, do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Bring it back now. Do, do, da, do. Nice. Now let's leave out the chords and audiate. 2, 3, 4, 1. Close your eyes for this. What do you hear in your head here? Bring them back now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1 more time. And pause. All right. So we're fusing those layers together so that we know where those strums line up with those chords. Audiate a little bit so even as we're feeling the beat, we feel those chords as a part of the beat. And as we're playing the chords, we feel the beat being part of the chords. Now I bet, especially if you've been following this in sequence, after having done the two previous sections with so much emphasis on singing, I bet you anything you could hear that melody in your head as you were playing and maybe even started to sing along. And that's great. That's exactly what we're going for. Don't worry if you weren't there yet, but that is what we're going to move towards in this next video, this next segment. So we've done each pair, right, of 2 layers at a time. We've done singing and strumming, singing and chording, chording and strumming. Now we're going to talk about how to pull those 3 together. See you there.